Oh, it wasn't planned. Really. Vaguely. So let's do Chucku, your role model.
Here, take that.
Well, let's see if I can dodge it.
Let's see.
Miss! Woohoo!
It hit the pipe. There's one thing, that weapon doesn't have any effect on humans.
Dang it! Well, you're a human/zombie.
Nope, I'm a human/ninja.
Ninja turtles.
Careful!
Let's just swing by some... Let's just pick up some plates.
My inventory is fully full. I don't need that.
I just need some freaking plates. Plates.
I don't need that.
Nope, those are cups. Spikes and stuff to throw.
Nope, not it. Yeah!
What the
I
hell?
like it. I like it.
And you get double the ammunition, you get double the ammo with the Soldier Deal download pack.
Lucky.
Whoa.
Oops. Goal! More money!
Are you coming?
Where you going?
Oh my.
Let's go! Do, 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 do.
Let's see, what can I throw? CDs? Stuff like that? Magazines?
Do, 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 do,
Oh
do.
my god! Chuck is a cross-dresser? Whoa. Like I didn't see that coming.
Chuck is hot. Oh yeah, look at that hot bod.
But don't you wish your girlfriend was hot like me?
Yes. Chuck! Wait. Wait. What the? Wait, it's Chuck a gold guy now.
A cross-dresser!
I'm sometimes a guy, and sometimes I'm a girl. And when I'm a girl, I talk like this. And when I'm a guy, I talk like this. Chuck, you have problems. Chuck, I think we need to...
I need stuff to throw. Like
should
plates,
throw-
CDs.
I got a machine gun.
You don't throw a machine gun, you shoot it.
No, you throw a machine gun.
Let's take another sword. Over here. Gas can? What the F? So that must be the secret ingredient to their cocktails.
Yes! Now you know! You ready? You ready, Rich?
Wait a sec. Drill? No. Show me helmet. Nothing I need.
Ready?
Yep.
Woohoo! Look at that hot, sexy bomb.
Oh my god.
We'll all be part of the change. Hey, buddy. You okay? Chuck Green. Wow.
He's even amazed by my hot five.
Jeez. He must be on some strong stuff.
Showing me the way. Now, my life has meaning again. At first, I didn't understand what the two of you were up to. What are you talking about? Letting the zombies free. Kira didn't have anything to do with that, and neither did I. First, it was horrible.
This feels so awful.
The zombies we've been trying to save.
I feel so awkward looking at my
Killing
kiddo, you know?
Eating people. But then I saw how brilliant the plan is. It's the best way to end the oppression. It's so radical. It's beautiful, man.
Please, help me.
So I'm helping now. I'm a soldier.
Jeez.
Cause, man.
Doesn't that guy have any morals? The zombie was on the can for crying out
Not
loud.
the way to help anyone. Oh, I see. You're losing the courage to finish what you started. Well, I have the guts, and I'm taking this thing all the way.
Alright.
Ba-da-ba-ba-ba, let's fight.
It's ninja time.
Ninja, ninja, ninja. Come. Get him off! Get him off! Get him off! Get him off! Oh, double that!
That's the ninja suit's power attack. Ooh. That sounded like it hurt. Alright, you lost to a ninja. Now you have to do the honorable thing. That's it.
No! Hey Rich, you need a drink? There you go.
What the hell?
Painkiller? Thanks. Just what I needed.
Come on with us.
Hurry up!
Okay.
You get this as a weapon.
Woohoo!
Yes. You are now a broadsword master. Come on! Are you in here?
Hey, you swiped my sword! You swiped my freaking sword, dude!
That's hot.
Oh yeah, get in there. Give me your closet.
Well, while we
Reach
got
up.
a chance, let's head back. Oh yeah.
Should we try Mux Larry?
My money! Let's pick up
Faster!
some...
Come on! This way! Faster!
Ah!
Thank you, Rip. Take those. Oh my! A chainsaw in the kitchen?
Keep close!
There's a
Still there?
chainsaw in the kitchen. Must be tough enough.
Move it! Keep it moving!
Come on!
Keep going!
Get out of
Stick
here!
to me.
Come on, I can save you! Hold on a second.
Hey,
Oh, Rich!
hey D-Train. Are you coming up? Would you like to take this chainsaw?
You can have it.
Alright.
Oh, great, I got a junk ball.
Awesome.
Go!
Still there?
No, please.
Stick with me!
Come on, Rich! Yes, I got the hot lady.
Don't tell me. You're gonna use her while she's drunk?
Dude, okay, how am I getting out of this place? I seriously have no idea.
Oh yeah, over this side.
Faster!
Oh yes, excellent. Totally makes sense.
Move it!
Why is, like, that lady so slow? Did we take the wrong phone?
I think we did. That's a rodeo.
Stay close!
I think it's this way. Right over there.
I see it. I see it. I see it now. Cause it's right in front of me.
Don't fall behind!
Come on, lady.
Stick close!
I'm just gonna
Keep
swipe some
going.
swords.
Come on!
Awesome.
Alright.